guys, so welcome back to Jessica DIY, and today we'll be looking at the new Adopt Me update. It's the rain weather update, and it has a new Ocelot pet, some new Amazon bird variants, or variants, rainy day toys and pet wear. And you can also buy this golden plantain. It's the same as the rab beetle, and also the pet pheasants. So we're going to take a look at this update. It says navigate to the rain shop. So we are going to navigate to the rain shop, and it's raining. Ooh, and it's so green. That is pretty cool. The grass looks greener than usual, to be honest. But I'm going to get a vehicle. Whoa, guys, look at the buildings behind. There's also a lighthouse as well. Adopt Me has a lighthouse now. Yes. You guys may not know, but I'm taking a few weeks off from my iPad because, I don't know why, but I just want to. So yeah, I'm not gonna be on Adopt Me or Roblox or my iPad at all that much. So yeah. Wait, where is it? Oh. So let's go ahead and go in. Kind of confused. Oh, okay. So tame an Amazon with a gold plantain. Oh, you can also get this. Oh, it's only 500. This is cool. Captain Fluffy. Ooh, and you could get cool birds. So we're gonna save up for this Ocelot thingy. So yeah, but we're going to keep on looking around. I don't know where the pet is. I'm gonna see. Oh, maybe it's here because this is another one. There are many different buildings. Ooh, there's this vehicle. It's 3,000. Only 3,000. These are pretty cheap. So this update is pretty good. It's kind of cheap. Everything, to be honest. So yeah. And these are those updates that come every month. Those. But tell me if you guys want a part two. Oh, here's a couple. Rain stick. Glasses. These are so cool. 600, 500, 300, 150, 300, and 100. Oh wow. Whoa. These are so cool. The pet wear is super cool. But ooh, there's this stroller and this drink. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me if you guys want a part 2. So when I saved up, I might buy it. But like I said, I will be offline all the time because I'm taking a break from my iPad. So I might not be able to buy it, but maybe next month because these type of updates come every month, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, guys, happy Valentine's Day. It's only in a few more days. So yeah, guys, bye.